Hey everyone. So today I just want to show my finished ephemera bundles that I have. I've got 6 of them available. So once these sell out, that's it until I make new ones. Now I will just take one and I will go through it and show you. All right. So this is what you will get if you get one of these bundles. Now this is all hand stained by me with coffee. So there will be 3 of these tickets, admission tickets in here. And then this. And this tag. And then like a slip like this. And then a blank receipt. And a postcard, French script postcard. This beautiful card. This beautiful French script. This coffee stained paper. Same here with this book page. And this doily, which I love so much. And then I've got some manila envelopes that I also dyed. And some paper. And then another little piece of envelope that you could make a pocket with or anything like that. So that is what you will get with this bundle. There are 16 pieces. And I just want to say, nothing about any of this is perfect. Nothing about any of it is meant to be perfect. It's supposed to be old. It's like faux vintage. It's not real vintage. I made all of this stuff with my stamps and by coffee staining it. And then, you know, cut all of these things up. These are pretty perfect, but like these cards and stuff, they're not all straight. The stamps aren't even straight. So if you're looking for perfection, I'm just warning you. I'm not about perfection. I am an abstract artist, so if that tells you anything. But anyway, I hope that you like these kits. Let me know in the comments what you think and what's your favorite. And I will have them up for sale within the next few days. Bye-bye.